Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Get a large mixing bowl and you want to get 4 cups of, I'm using, these are called mini wheats. You could use cookies and cream cereal if you can get that. So put that in there. And 4 cups of, I'm using Milo Duo. If you can't find that, you can use something called chocolate toast crunch cereal and use 4 cups of that, put that in there. Now we want to crush this. You can crush it into a fine powder or just little pieces. So it will just teach you the lesson. Get a large saucepan, turn the heat on the stove to low medium and chuck in 125 grams of butter. Just melt that, and once it's melted we're going to put in 150 grams of mini marshmallows. Now add the mini marshmallows and stir this until it's just melted. Now throw the cereal in and mix it through. Now get a baking tray. You can get a regular baking tray, a 9x9, 13x9, whatever. I'm using this baking tray because I can put them into the size and the square that I want. But if you do it another way, just cut it into pieces once it's set. So just spoon it in there as much as you want and then press it down so it's in there packed well. Now you can either leave these to set, or if you want to speed that process up because you can't wait to eat them all, chuck them in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes and then take them out and gobble them up like you're a giant turkey.
Simple cooking.